Hello everyone, my name is Ali Ahmed and today I'll be summarizing chapters 8, 9, 10 and 11. So in chapter 8, I'll be talking about wireless technologies and their advantages and disadvantages and the term called dematerialization. So wireless technologies include both wireless devices such as smartphones and wireless transmission media such as microwave, satellite and radio. These technologies are fundamentally changing the way organizations operate. Individuals are finding wireless devices convenient and productive to use for several reasons. First, people can make productive use of time that was formerly wasted. For example, while commuting to work on public transportations. Second, because people can take these devices with them, their work locations are becoming more and more flexible. Third, wireless technologies enable people to schedule their working time around personal and professional obligations. So, what are the advantages to users of wireless devices? First, they are small enough to easily carry or wear. Second, they have sufficient computing power to perform productive tasks. Third, they can communicate wirelessly with internet and other devices. So now let's move on to the term called dematerialization. Modern smartphones exhibit a process called dematerialization. Essentially, dematerialization occurs when the functions of many physical devices are included in one or other physical device. Consider your smartphone, which includes the functions of digital camera for images and videos, radio, televisions, internet access through web, and recording studios, editing suites, and movie theater, and GPS navigation, all of these functions in one smartphone. So our smartphones have come a long way in a short period of time. So now smartphones can function as a mobile. Some smartphones can be charged without plugging them. For example, the Google Nexus of 4, 5, 6 and Samsung Galaxy 6 all include built-in wireless charging. Smartphones are also employing biometrics such as Apple having fingerprint scanners on their devices which Touch ID feature. Google has a face recognition on its Android smartphones in a form of face unlock feature. Moving on to chapter 9, here we'll be discussing about social commerce. Social commerce refers to the delivery of electronic commerce activities and transactions through social computing. Social commerce also supports social interactions and user contributions, allowing customers to participate actively in the marketing and selling of products and services in an online market and communities. With social commerce, individuals can collaborate online, obtain advice from trusted individuals, and purchase goods and services. A few examples of social commerce include Disney, for example, allows people to book tickets on Facebook without leaving the social network. Mountain Dew, on the other hand, attracts video game lovers and sport enthusiasts through democracy contests. The company also encourages the most dedicated community member to contribute ideas on the company's product. So, what are the potential benefits of social commerce? Benefits to the customers: better and faster vendor response to complaints because customers can air their complaints in public platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. Customers can assist other customers. Customers' expectation can be met more fully and quickly. Customers can easily search, link, chat while staying on the social network page. So what are the benefits to businesses of social commerce? The benefits are can test new products and ideas quickly and inexpensively, learn more about their customers, identify problems quickly and elevate customers' anger, learn about customers' experiences through their rapid feedback, increase sales when customer discusses the products positively on social networking sites, creates more effective marketing campaigns and brand awareness. Despite of all the benefits, social computing does involve certain risks. It is problematic, for example, to advertise a product, brand, or a company on a social computing website, where the content is user generated and it is not edited or filtered. Companies that employ this strategy must be willing to accept negative reviews and feedback. Of course, the negative feedbacks can some of the most valuable information that a company receives if it uses this information properly. Chapter 10. Here we'll be talking about TPS, which is Transaction Processing System. So first of all, I will explain what is a transaction. A transaction is any business event that generates data worthy of being captured and stored in databases, which can be products manufactured, a service sold, a person hired, and a payroll check generated. So now what's a transaction processing system? So a transaction processing system supports the monitoring, collection, storage, and processing of data from the organization's basic business transaction, each of which generates data. The TPS collects data continuously, typically in real time. That is, as soon as the data are generated, it provides the input data for the corporate databases. TPSs are crucial to the success of any enterprise because they support the core operations. In the modern business world, TPS are inputs for the functional area information system and the business intelligence system, as well as the business operations, such as customer relationship management, knowledge management, and e-commerce. TPSs have efficiently handled both high volume and large variation in those volumes. They must also avoid errors and downtime, record results accurately and securely, and maintain privacy and security. Moving on to chapter 11, which is the last chapter for our day. So in chapter 11, we'll be discussing about customer relationship management, which is a customer-focused and customer-driven organizational strategy. That is, organizations concentrate on assessing customers' requirements for products and services, then providing high-quality services. Responsive customer experience. CRM is not a process or a technology per se. Rather, it is a customer-centric way of thinking and acting. The focus of modern organization has shifted from conducting business transaction to managing customers' relationship. In general, organization recognizes that customers are the core of a successful enterprise, and the success of enterprise depends on managing relationships with them. So, the CRM approach is enabled with information technology in forms of various systems and applications. However, CRM is not only about the software. Sometimes the problem with managing relationship is simply time and information. All systems may contain the needed information, but this information may take too long to access and may not be usable across a variety of applications. The result is that the companies have less time to spend with their customers. So, in contrast, modern CRM strategies and systems build sustainable long-term customer relationship that creates value for the company as well as for the customer. That is, CRM helps companies acquire new customers and retain and expand their relationship with the profitable existing customers. Retaining customer is particularly important because repeated customers are the largest generator of revenue for an organization. Also, organizations have long understood winning back a customer who has switched to a competitor is more expensive than keeping that customer satisfied in the first place. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a wonderful time listening to my iVlog 3. Bye bye. Have a nice day.